save the seeds, okay?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
One of my morning activities is to go into my garden and to water my plants. But the only reason I can do that is because I have seeds that I planted. Lately in the news, I've been realizing that the quality and the quantity of seeds have been diminishing. So seeds have always been the heart of every garden, ensuring future harvest, preserving the rich diversity of foods that we eat. We're facing a seed shortage with supply chain disruptions, unpredictable weather, even corporate control, making it harder for gardeners and small farmers to get the seeds that they need. And of course, that includes Goshen family. That's why saving seeds is not just a skill, it's a necessity. By learning how to collect, store, and to replant these seeds from our own gardens, we're not only securing the next season's crops, we're preserving history, and we're strengthening the food security and gaining independence from an uncertain market. Today, Papa G and I will show you how to save seeds from the things that we grow in our garden so that you can build your own personal seed bank and be ready for whatever comes next. Let's get started. So this morning I woke up, I heard Daddy talking about it last night. So he doesn't only plant, we don't only plant, but we save our seeds. So of course this is hot pepper seeds, you can see, right? Hot pepper seeds. He has allowed it to dry and he's saving them. So don't just buy seeds all the time. Once you save the seeds, okay? Yeah, definitely. And this is tomato. So of course we've been doing tomatoes recently. He's been growing tomatoes. The dogs want a little attention. He's been growing tomatoes and he decided he would save the tomato seeds. So I'm gonna ask him about this now. So last night I realized that he was saving some seeds. How do you get to this process, Daddy, as he picks out some tomatoes?
Squeeze out the seed in some water.
So you squeeze out the seeds of the tomatoes. So it's rotten tomatoes you use?
Not really.
Not really? Okay. And then?
Wash them. And you put it into a strainer.
Oh. And then what would be remaining?
After you wash it, the ones that are not good come up on top of the water.
Oh, they will float.
Yeah. So then some of the meat or the tomato might be in it, so you try get it out. And then you throw off the water and you wash it again. And then you strain it into a strainer. And you get it clean like that. If you don't do it like that,
you're going to get bad seeds too.
Yeah, and you're going to have a lot of tomato and then going to just clad up together.
And it's going to rotten it? Would it rotten it if it clad up together?
No, really, but it's harder to, when you
plant,
sow the seeds.
Yeah.
They will be in a bung, like in a hard bunch. But this now, it's easy separate them when them dry.
Oh, because of how you wash it out and you made sure.
You get it clean, not in a hit to hold it together. So the grains will be separated.
About how much does this save you, I would say?
This?
Yeah, because if you didn't do this, you'd have to buy, right?
So about $4,000 or $5,000.
$4,000-$5,000. So when you plant, people, save your seeds. You would encourage them to do that, right, Papa G?
Of course.
So you might buy first time, but you don't have to buy all the time after that.
No.
You know what I did a while ago?
What?
I touched the seeds and touched my eye. Eye burned me. Because these are hot pepper seeds, not true?
Yeah.
These are peas.
But
just feel my eye burning me. I don't know when I touched it.
It's hot pepper.
So Papa G is packing out some tomatoes to take to his person that he supplies. Okay. So this is a pro tip. So you said, Papa G, let me see if I get the process. Get the tomatoes. Crush them out in water. Whatever floats on.
Make them well ripe too.
Make them well ripe. Because you don't want the seeds to not be ready.
It will not be ready. It's hard. It's easier to wash out then.
It's easier to get those seeds
out of the tomato.
Okay. So let them be well ripe.
Yeah.
Then you smash them up in the water.
Then you squeeze them out.
Squeeze them out, right? And then whatever floats on top, you discard that. And then you use a strainer and kind of smash it through the strainer. Rub it out. Just
rub out it
with your hand.
Put it back in the water and wash it again, and then you will get it's easier to strain. Most time after you wash it the second time, it's just what's in the bottom of the bucket you're going to use.
Oh. So because it's going to sink. The good seeds sink.
Right.
Okay. Thank you, Papa G. I'm going to see if I can harvest some seeds and show them. All right. So we're going to... This is a very ripe tomato. Very, very ripe. We're going to... Okay, so there's no more in here. I'm going to show you how I follow daddy's instructions and save the seeds. Take out the fleshy parts that are not attached to seeds. That has seeds attached to it. Right? Whatever is floating, throw that away. Not really. Oh yes, see some seeds floating there. See, that's a seed that's floating. I don't want that because that's not good. All right, so I am gonna kind of throw off the top water then, and only what is remaining in the bottom I can keep. According to daddy, all the floaters got to go. All right, so not really seeing any other seed that's... No, that's not true. Let me get a strainer. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna pull it up. Let it settle. And I kind of like scrape off the top. Too. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm not really seeing anything to the top anymore. So let me just strain this out. Cause it's just one tomato I'm doing to show you. I don't need anything more than this. Alright. Kind of take out the pink stuff without removing the seeds that are there. And I'm gonna just put this to daddy's thing that he has already started with. Can you imagine that? He said he's saving himself $4,000 to $5,000 worth of seeds. That's crazy. You can do this too. So I'm just kind of washing the seeds so they don't get clumpy and you know all that pink tomato flesh and go. And whatever I can pick out, I will pick out. Whatever I can remove, I will remove. And voila, that's it. These are my tomato seeds, and I'm gonna just put them with daddy's thing now. Simple one too, guys. Save your seeds. You can do it today. So if I can do it, you can do it. A little garden area here that we are trying to develop. Mercy, I smell the hot pepper. Good morning. Beautiful sunshine. Fresh air. Mr. Simeon.